Richie Ruckus beat.
What's going on YouTube? It's your boy, Richie Ruckus. We are back here today. It is Sunday, September 15th. Football is back. It is week 2 of the NFL season. My Philadelphia Eagles are not playing until Sunday Night Football tonight. So I kind of have all day to check in with my fantasy football lineups. And, so it's a rare day where you have all day of watching football because you don't have to watch, you don't have to worry about being preoccupied by your favorite team at like the 1 o'clock game. So the Red Zone channel all day and until 8:20. The Birds go down to Atlanta and take on the Falcons. That being said, I have a brand new sneaker pickup. I'm going to hit you with that unboxing, that review, and that on foot. And at the time I am filming this video, there are 1 subscriber shy of 4,000 subs. So if you guys are not subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. It is greatly appreciated. I know I used to constantly beg and plead for people to hit that thumb up and subscribe, but as the channel grew, I kind of evolved as a person and stopped being so thirsty, as I am appreciative of all my subscribers and everybody who tunes into this channel. Just feel like I kind of grew out of just, every video asking people to hit that thumb up and subscribe. That being said, I digress. Let's get into this new sneaker pickup. Shout outs to the good folks over at Lapstone Hammer. I picked these up yesterday afternoon. They were a first come, first serve, and there were plenty sitting by the time I went and got my pair, which was around 5 o'clock in the afternoon. I'm not sure if these released everywhere or if certain colorways are going to be in certain places. I didn't do my due diligence on this exact colorway. I just know that there is quite a few colorways that releasing or have released this weekend or releasing in these upcoming weeks. I think I've taken up enough of your time. You know why you're here. You know the drill. Let's get a glimpse of these Warlocks. We have the Adidas ZX Torsion in this predominantly black colorway. It does have hints of orange, green, habanero red, and it's got that torsion bottom. The clear green right here was definitely something that eye-catching and drew my attention. This colorway of the sneaker is very similar on a pair of sneakers I did a review on this past summer, and it was a pair of sneakers that flew under the radar. Video didn't even get that many views, but this reminds me a lot of the LS, I believe it was like the Semi-Pala Piazza pack. And, very dope sneaker. The quality of the materials on here, very, very dope. The leather feels very nice. I know there's a few different colorways. Depending on the colorway you get, I know that there was like a blue and like a teal blue and like a light orange, like neon yellow, crazy colorway that's actually right up my alley. I haven't seen them in person yet, but I've seen tons of reviews. They have more of like a suede type upper, where this sneaker is predominantly leather. You do have hints of mesh. Big Adidas branding on the tongue. Like I said, you have that torsion on the bottom, but you also have boost. I thought it was very dope that they incorporated the Adidas ZX line, torsion and boost, all in one sneaker. The upper is very, very similar to the old EQT type sneakers. There's a gray colorway coming out that just screams Adidas EQT line. But I tried them all for a brief second in store. I would definitely go true to size. They do feel hella comfortable, and I think overall it's smart that Adidas is evolving, keeping boost on the sneakers, but finding other ways to utilize this technology and utilize this cushioning. The more and more I look at this silhouette, the more and more it just reminds me of other sneakers. I kind of get an Alexander Wang type vibe off this. I know I actually said that on the Adidas Oswego review. I actually have them on right now. But I just feel like, Adidas is staying true to themselves, and just the quality on this, I feel like they did a very good job. Even like the heel, this habanero red right here is all leather. The whole heel cup is leather. The red, the orange. You got black leather trimming around the tongue. Like I said, most of the upper is in a traditional all black leather. You got that. This bottom just looks so much like an Alexander Wang Adidas collab bottom. Like I said, it's got the torsion. This clear green really set it off for me. I can't wait to get these on foot. Like I said, they are very, very comfortable. And like I said, go true to size. I wouldn't size down. I wouldn't size up. Depending on your foot, I do have a wide foot, as I state in many of my videos. And these felt like going down may have been a little snug, and going up definitely would have been a little too big. But I guess that's it for the review. We're going to go bang at this on foot. I'm going to go back to football. And like I said, if you're not subscribed to this channel, hit that subscribe button. Give your boy a thumb up. And, you know, stick around. Dope sneaker reviews coming every week. And I'm hoping to get back into uploading more frequently. It's just work has been crazy, crazy busy. This is like our really busy time, getting like summer going into the fall. And I picked these up yesterday, but I wasn't even able to get the review up until today because I got home from work at like 11 o'clock last night after being there about 7:30 in the morning. I'm trying to dedicate some more time to the channel and, you know, get back to kicking out 2-3 reviews a week. But that being said, we're going to go bang at this on foot. I'll be back next week with some more videos. But until then, I'm Richie Ruckus. Peace!
The number you have reached, 911, has been changed.
Richie Ruckus.